Mustang Coupe.
Yeah, the come on motion sensor. It's all there's tractors.
Small collection of farm tractors.
You saw the rusty one. Those aren't rusty. T-Bird. Chevy truck guys. I know you're drooling. Interesting door.
Very. This is what we call the truck room.
Oh my gosh. Oh, a camper. That's cool.
This room in particular has a larger ceiling in it. When this mall was in operation, it was a grocery store here. That camper, yeah, we just get a lot of eyes on that. We originally had it in the back of the room. So many people wanted to see it. We moved it up here to the front.
1923.
It's just amazing.
Yeah, look at these cars. Wow. There is just... Can you see back in the depth? See how the cars lined up?
These are all trucks. This is what we call the truck room.
Are you driving into the
Because
truck room?
It's got a higher ceiling.
That wasn't my phone, that was Ed's. Wow. Holy cow. I know you guys want to see most of these cars, but there's just not enough time in the day. And at any point in time, the battery could cut off. Wow. Look at that! What the heck is that thing? This wild fire engine. That's cool. I was into fire engines big time when I was a firefighter, and the history of it. I just love history. It's just so cool. You know, the people that drove that thing are no longer with us, and I'm just
Couple trolleys.
time machines, trolleys. Wow.
One's from Mount Holly, New Jersey.
Yeah.
Down in your neck of the woods.
This fire engine's got me going, man. It's cool.
It's in there in this box. It's a rare piece.
Yeah, it is. That, can you imagine that cast iron piece? Trying to find that? It's got to be one of a kind. Or rotting somewhere that we don't know about. Bradford Bread, the Texas Company Petroleum and its products. Bradford Bread again, another Bradford Bread truck. Really neat.
Have some old solid rubber tire trucks down here. at the
American
very end.
pickers eat your heart out.
Yeah. They're just really interesting pieces. Could you imagine if you were a truck driver back in those days? You know, how sore you'd be after 8 hours behind the wheel of that.
I'm gonna kill it because this noise is annoying. That's it?
That's it.
That's the end of the tour?
End of the tour.
I thought you said it was like 50% more cars.
Will, you've been here for 9 hours. And this is an admission-free museum.
Oh, here we go. I haven't changed much. I hope you guys enjoyed it. History. Mustangs, AC Cobras, Corvettes, modern, ancient. Everything's here.
Old trucks.
Old trucks. Everything's here in Morristown? What's the name of this town?
Morgantown.
Morgantown, in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Classic Auto Mall. It's literally a mall with a lot of cars. That's an annoying sound.
Sorry about that.
You're killing me. You're killing me, Smalls.
The pipe is pinched.
Say goodbye.
See ya. Thank you.
That was good.
Good enough.
You're getting a lot of good enough. It was great. Are you kidding me? He's kicking me out now. He's taking me out of here.
It's good enough. You just gotta go with it.
I just got to go with it.
It can't be perfect.
It's always perfect. What are you talking about?
Well, your stuff's perfect. Yeah, I don't know what you...
I talked to his 19-year-old son too. He's like, "Oh, I like your videos." I'm like, "Cool." All right, I'm gonna say goodbye.
This is...
You're driving around like Austin Powers. This is an Austin Powers experience. I knew it was gonna happen with this golf cart. You're parking it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, and this whiplash. I think you just gave me whiplash. You saw it on video.
You're gonna sue the auto mall.
No, I would never do that. Good time, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And this is the end, the last video of the day. What day is today? February 21st, 2019, visiting the mall. You'll see more trips coming up, and they're on my Facebook page. Just look at events.
And today is my parents' 59th anniversary.
Oh, crap, you got to go.